Hi guys, it's Bethany. I have a diamond painting to open for you. This is from Craftibly. This is how it came to me. I purchased this March of 2021. So it's been a while and I say it's time to open it. What do you think? So it came to me wrapped in this cellophane type wrapper. It comes in a hard plastic tube, which is kind of cool. All right. On the strap of this is a thumbnail of the piece, and this is what we're opening today. It is called Be Brave by Sara Burrier. I love this image. It reminds me of me and my daughter. All right, so I've never opened one of these before. Are you supposed... Sorry guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, this just twists off. Well, that was an easier solution than what I was trying to do. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know if you can pull these two pieces apart. I'll have to experiment with it to see, but the end twists off. Inside here we have a toolkit. Oh, this is a nice bag. It's actually really soft. It says Craftibly Diamond Painting. We'll look at that in a bit. There's the inside of the tube if you were curious. Here's the canvas. Has some papers on the outside, looks like. Rubber band, a sticker with a picture of the image. This is Be Brave. It is a square drill diamond painting. The dimensions are 28 inches by 20 inches. Like I said, it is by Sara Burrier, and it gives you a space here to put your start and finish date. I do believe I'll be starting this soon. This came with a paper. This was from my first purchase, and actually this is my first unboxing of the 4.0 kits. I have a few other kits from this order, but this is the first one that I've opened. So this says, "Welcome to the Craftibly family. Thank you for purchasing a Craftibly diamond painting. We are happy to spread the love of this wonderful crafting hobby. If you have any issues or questions regarding your order, please reach out to us for assistance. We hope you enjoy diamond painting as much as we do." And it shows the new 4.0 kit features: telescoping art tube, soft back canvas, poured glue, max luster diamond drills, ABs and rhinestones, random cover minder, basic glitter pin, burlap accessory sack, thin multi-placer tips, extra thick chart cover, a tree planted for each order, pre-bag drills, up to 80 colors, true to size images, licensed artwork, random washi tape, sharp tweezers, jar of wax, MOSFET spout tray, peelable color labels, logbook sticker, and a foam pen grip. So, lots and lots of things, and behind that is the stickers with the DMC number and the code that is on the canvas, as well as numbered. This one has 51 colors. cool symbols. Now I do believe that these come pre-bagged, so I'm actually not going to be using these for kitting up. I'm probably just going to work right out of the bags. One thing I just noticed as I set this down is on the back of this sheet, it shows you how to diamond paint, Craftibly style. It also shows you some of the other things that you might find in the kit. Okay, I am ready to open up this canvas. It comes very well sealed, like completely sealed in this plastic sleeve. Tear it apart. Okay. Yeah, that is pretty soft. It is sealed on the outside with the tape. The back almost feels kind of like felt. All right. Ooh, this is pretty, guys. It is a poured glue canvas, so I am going to roll it backwards so that it will lay flat faster so that I can show you guys this pretty picture. Just rolling it back the opposite of how it came. I am going to read for you the description of this piece from the Craftibly website, and it says, warm and touching mother to child, encouraging them not to fear. The native mother and child are floating deep in the deep blue waters of the ocean, filled with colorful exotic fish and plants of the reef, following and guiding them to safety. Now I'm going to show you the tool bag. Comes in this pouch like I mentioned before. It's really soft. It doesn't look like it would be soft, but it's really soft. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Okay. We have a toolkit. It contains tweezers, double head pin, a pen grip, a tray, and a glue pad. Let's go ahead and check those out. Oh, also looks like multi-placers in there as well. Tray. Pen. Pen grip. Go ahead and put that on. Looks like it has a 4-placer, multi-placer, and it also came with another 4-placer and a 7-placer. Here's the wax, and here are the tweezers. Very sharp. Alright, what else we got in here? Ooh, washi tape. Flag banner. I actually have this washi tape here already. Ooh, this is nice. This is an Eiffel Tower. This would have been perfect to use on my Paris painting. We have a pot of wax. 2 pots of wax. And one more thing in there. Ooh, it's a cover minder and it's a shell. I'm so happy to have gotten this one. And it's perfect for this painting. Yeah, I'm going to be using this cover minder on this painting, definitely. This is a really cool toolkit. All right, let's go ahead and look at the canvas. Clear up the table a little bit so that I have room to do so for you. Okay. So this tube's gonna roll off the table. I just know it. All right. So this is the canvas. Here on both the left and the right, there is a color list. It has a thumbnail of the image. Once again, the size, 28 inches by 20 inches. "51 colors." Looks like 3 A/B drills. Up there, same. In the bottom left-hand corner, you have thumbnail of the image, title of the piece, artist, licensing information. The drill field looks really clear. As you can see, there's a sparkle on the background, which is really neat. The top of the canvas has the Craftibly logo. It says Craftibly Diamond Painting. Okay, oh, this is such a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Let's go ahead and look at where those ABs go. This one, I'm pretty sure is white. That one's going to be yellow, and that one's going to be green. So the white AB has symbol O, and we have some here at the top of this fin. There's some around here on the outsides of her hair, up here. There's some in her face, some in her face. Nails. There are some here in this earring. Over here on the shoulder a little bit. As she has these shells in her hair, there's some in there. And then just scattered on the outsides of her hair floating at the top there. The yellow is a symbol with a little upwards arrow. We have a bunch of those here in this fin here. That one. Does this fish have any? Yeah, the fish has some O's right there at the top. Some of the white ones. Okay, there's a few. Oh no, that's not. Here are some of the yellow ones, and right here. Yep, that's what I see for those. And then number 3 for the green. We have some right here in the sea greens. Up here in the hair. A little strip right here. And more in this other green foliage here. So cool. Okay, these are the drills. Aren't those gorgeous? Those are so pretty. 2 packages of those. And they are, like I said, pre-bagged, which is really, really nice. Some people don't like them, you know, and if you don't like pre-bagged drills, go ahead and take them out of their bags, pour them into containers, label them as you like. But these, I find, are so super handy. The drill quality looks pretty good. I haven't done a Craftibly painting yet, so I can't tell you for sure. This one I can see a few bits of trash and stuff in there. Not the best drills, but I think overall I think the drill quality looks really good. See if I can find any of those ABs. They're probably in the second package since they're the end numbers. Oh yeah, they are. I can see all 3 of them, and they are white, yellow, and green. Anyways, yeah, if you don't like working out of these baggies, just put them in your storage containers, whatever kind of storage containers you like to use. For me, I don't mind, And so I'm just gonna be able to work on this diamond painting right away. Here are the Aurora Borealis drills. They have a special coating over the top that makes them shine in kind of a rainbow sort of way. A little bit of extra dazzle compared to the regular diamonds. And the regular diamonds are still pretty shiny, but as you can see, these ones are just a little bit extra. Very pretty. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. I will be doing a kitting up video, but it's going to be super short because there's not going to be a lot of work for me to do. Anyways, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!